In this video, I'll guide you through how to update your LinkedIn profile without notifying your connections. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professional networking, and keeping your profile up to date is essential. However, sometimes you might prefer to tweak your profile quietly without broadcasting every little change to your entire network. Fortunately, LinkedIn offers a way to control these notifications, and I'm here to show you how. First, start by heading over to linkedin.com. You'll want to make sure you're logged in to your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your login details, your email and password, and hit that sign in button. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your LinkedIn homepage. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for and select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Clicking this will take you to a new page dedicated to managing your account settings. Once you're on the Settings and Privacy page, you'll notice several tabs. What you want to do here is click on the Visibility tab. This section is crucial as it controls who can see your activity and updates on LinkedIn. Now, scroll down the page until you find the section titled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This section houses all the settings related to how your updates are shared with your connections. It might take a little scrolling, but it's there. Just keep your eyes peeled. Under this section, you'll find an option called Share Profile Updates. This is the setting we need to adjust. Click on Share Profile Updates, and you'll see a toggle switch. This switch controls whether your profile updates are shared with your network. Finally, to ensure your updates remain private, turn this switch off. When the toggle is off, LinkedIn will no longer send notifications to your connections about changes you make to your profile. This is a great way to maintain privacy while you refine and update your professional presence at your own pace. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your settings to update your LinkedIn profile without notifying your connections. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and turn the notifications back on if you wish to share future updates. Being able to control your visibility settings on LinkedIn helps you manage your professional persona with more discretion and allows you to work on your profile without the pressure of immediate scrutiny. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now more comfortable navigating LinkedIn's privacy options. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy networking!